memories are inside me, they are not, you can't see from the face. Attitude, smriti, memories lead to attitude, and attitude leads to change in the atmosphere around you. If a positive attitude, there will be positive atmosphere around you. Negative attitude, negative atmosphere will be there around you, right? Okay. And the emotions. So attitude lead to emotions, right? Then that attitude will be to emotional change, and emotional change will lead to vibrations, and vibrations, you can feel it, as everyone can feel it, and then emotions lead to thoughts. So it's other way around also, and this way around also. So after, up to 11 years of age, it is, it is which way? Which way? Passive learning. And beyond that, for everything thoughts will come. Then they will active process, right? Then emotions will be formed, and then attitude will be formed, and then memories will be formed. And before that, everything becomes memories, sanskaras, immediately. Impressions, belief systems, and एक भिखारी आता है तो माँ, उसके पास एक थैला होता है, माँ क्या बोलती है, बेटा ये इनके पास नहीं जाना चाहिए, साधु है ना, इनके कपड़े, इनके बच्चे को उठा के ले जाते हैं। तो बच्चे को क्या दिखाई देने लगता है उसके झोले में, भिखारी के झोले में, साधु के झोले में बच्चे दिखाई देने लग जाते हैं। बच्चे को उसको देखते ही रोना शुरू कर देता है। बच्चा सांप को पकड़ लेता है, छोटा बच्चा होता है 6 महीने का, 7 महीने, सांप को, मेंढक को पकड़ लेगा, ही विल कैच द फ्रॉग, और ही इज नॉट फियरफुल। बट माँ क्या बोलती है, गंदा, छिछी ना, काट लेगा ना। तो फिर बच्चे को बाद में उससे डर लगने लगता है ना। ये इंप्रेशन है। और फिर ऐसे इस तरह से, मतलब अंधेरे में वो होते हैं, भूत होते हैं, है ना, अंधेरे में नहीं जाना, तो क्या होता है, वो फिर इंप्रेशंस बन जाते हैं। ठीक है, इस तरह से। तो इस तरह से मेमोरीज इनिशियली जो भी कुछ कहते हैं बिकम मेमोरीज, उससे एटीट्यूड बनता है, उससे इमोशंस बनती हैं, उससे थॉट्स चलते हैं। ठीक है, हाँ जी। These are different words, right? Programming or reprogramming. Abhi, here you have come for reprogramming, right? You are already programmed. We all are programmed. When I came for this Brahma Kumaris, I was already programmed, right? When here I came, meditation leads to deprogramming of the mind. Okay? Is it clear? Soul is a point of energy. It keeps on releasing 7 energies. And these 7 energies, they can be released, and the immediate aspect of the soul is called as intellect. Intellect has got 4 soul, center of the forehead. You can see this. And the soul and body. Soul is inside, body is outside. Soul is releasing 7 energies. These are KP square, low, high blood pressure, it is mentioned here. And then the 3 faculties of the soul: intellect, mind, and personality traits. Soul, mind, body. Intellect is just next to the soul. And then soul has got, the soul is releasing 7 energies, and just next to the soul, the few cells where the seat of the soul is called as the heart of the soul. Is also called as conscience or consciousness. This is called as heart of the soul. दिल, ये दिल तो फिजिकल दिल है, दिस इज फिजिकल हार्ट। जितनी भी कहानियां हम जितनी भी गजलें बनी है, शेरो शायरी होती है, दिल एक मंदिर है, दिल ही तो है, दिल है कि मानता नहीं, वो मेरे दिल में समा गया। कौन से दिल में? इस दिल में समा सकता है कोई? डॉक्टर खन्ना, यू आर ए सर्जन, इस दिल में, हैव यू सीन एनीवन in any of the chambers, 4 chambers, cardiac surgeon? हाँ, वो तो blood 70 times he has to come out and then go in, right? 7 9, when you are angry it will be 90 100 times, so nothing can stay in this heart, right? So nothing stays. इस दिल में कुछ समा नहीं सकता है. इस दिल की बात है, इस कॉन्शियसनेस की बात है, कॉन्शियस की बात है. इसको हिंदी में अंतरात्मा भी कहते हैं, दिल भी कहते हैं. एंड दैट इज द प्योर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द ह्यूमन बीइंग. दिल, मेरा दिल मानता नहीं. इस बात को डाकू भी क्या कहता है, रॉबर भी क्या कहता है, नहीं मेरा एक प्रिंसिपल है, मेरा दिल मानता नहीं कि करने को, मैं ये नहीं करूंगा. डाका डालना अलग बात है, ये मैं नहीं करूंगा. राइट? तो दैट इज द कॉन्शियंस, अंतरात्मा. इस दिल से कनेक्शन है इस हार्ट अटैक का, हार्ट का. When something happens to this heart, then this something happens to this heart. Right? What triggers MI, what triggers problems is because of this heart. This is a subtle heart. So this is your subtle heart, call it consciousness, right? Or conscience. And then there are 4 aspects to intellect. So first aspect is आपके साथ वाला. Actually, you know what happens? I get mentally connected to everyone, like a thread going from here to everyone's. And anyone, if it does something, someone does like this, someone does like this, immediately I get the current here, that there's a problem there. So I may not be looking at you, but immediately I'll know that this person is not alert, right? That's why I usually speak about, I'll just say, okay, because then the thread is little stretched, then immediately I know that this person is not listening properly, not alert. So this is your consciousness, and this is full of 7 energies, 6 energies especially: knowledge, purity, peace, love, happiness, bliss and powers. In the golden age, when we were Sato Pradhan, full of 7 energies, this was full, right? And then that leads to wisdom. Wisdom means power of discrimination between right and wrong, power of discretion. Power of discretion, that is wisdom. And then, if the wisdom is, when you are full of 7 energies, it is like godly wisdom. Because God is ocean of 7 energies, and you are full of 7 energies, then it is like godly wisdom. And then your intellect, so-called power of judgment, is divine, is accurate. Within a second you can judge. I have to do this, I will not do this. Okay? And that, so this is power of judgment. We call it intellect proper. And then comes the power of judgment, and then comes the your subconscious mind. जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं चित्त. चित्त. So if your heart is full of 7 energies, your wisdom is godly, judgment power is divine, and your chit is, your subconscious mind is peaceful, शांत, एकाग्र और आनंदमय. अगर आपका यहां पे 7 एनर्जीज हैं, के पी पी एल एच बी पी, तो आपकी विजडम गॉडली है, डिवाइन इंटेलेक्ट है, और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में क्या है, जो दिल में है वो आपके चित्त में है. चित्त में क्या है, दिल में क्या है, शांति, प्यार, खुशी, आनंद है. तो दिल में, तो चित्त में क्या होगा, वहां भी शांति, प्यार, खुशी और आनंद होगा. शांत, एकाग्र, आनंद में. इसलिए कहा जाता सतयुग में, गोल्डन एज में, सतयुग और हेवन में हम सच्चित आनंद स्वरूप होते हैं, सच्चित आनंद स्वरूप, राइट? दिल में if there is a truth in the heart, then your chit or the subconscious mind is yes, subconscious mind is full of bliss, focused, peaceful. इसलिए गॉड को क्या बोलते हैं हमेशा? गॉड को क्या कहते हैं? गॉड इज, परमात्मा हमेशा सत्य चित्त आनंद स्वरूप है। इसलिए क्योंकि उनके इनके हार्ट में सदा ही सत्य, ट्रुथ है, ही इज फुल ऑफ ट्रुथ। उनकी विजडम है ही हमेशा गॉडली, बिकॉज इज गॉड ना। इंटेलेक्ट हमेशा डिवाइन है और दिव्य है, और उनकी चित्त हमेशा आनंदमय है, राइट? और इसके बाद क्या आता है? इसके बाद आता है हमारा माइंड। जैसे जैसे ऑराज होते हैं लाइट के आसपास ऑराज होते हैं ना। सो सोल इज अ पॉइंट ऑफ एनर्जी, द एनर्जी इज बेसिकली नथिंग बट एनर्जी, यू नो। these are different auras of energy of the soul, right? So this is your memory, this is your attitudes, emotions, thoughts. Can we change this diagram? And outside this is our physical body. इसमें हमारा फर्स्ट थिंग इज आवर 5 सेंसेस, आईज, नोज एंड ears, mouth and the skin all over the body. Then is our CNS, central nervous system. Then our immune system, our respiratory system, our cardiovascular system, then our liver and GI system, then our endocrinal system, hormonal system, and then our musculoskeletal system, and then our kidneys, excretory system, kidneys and sweat glands. So these are 8 organ systems of the body. So this is our physical body, this is our subtle body. आपने सुना ना सूक्ष्म शरीर, लाइट का शरीर, जैसे कहते हैं लाइट का शरीर, ये हमारा सूक्ष्म शरीर है। एक आप ड्राई ब्रेड, देखिए ड्राई ब्रेड, एक सूखी ब्रेड ले लीजिए, एक प्लेट में दूध डाल दीजिए, पुट लिटिल मिल्क इन दैट plate and put that dry bread in the plate. Now what will happen? The bread will soak the milk. So what is it now? What is the shape of the milk? What is the shape of the milk? As of the bread, isn't it? So what is the shape of the subtle body? सूक्ष्म शरीर की शेप क्या है? जो फिजिकल बॉडी की शेप। इसलिए सूक्ष्म शरीर में हार्ट भी है, ब्रेन भी है, ब्रेन सेल्स भी हैं, आंखें भी हैं, नाक भी है, कान, सब कुछ, एवरी ऑर्गन इज देयर इन द सूक्ष्म शरीर और सटल बॉडी। इसलिए आप जब देखते हैं ना और इसमें क्लियन फोटोग्राफी में देखते हैं ना, इवन इफ द लिम्ब इज कट, एम्पुटेशन हो जाता है, स्टिल यू कैन सी द लिम्ब। सटल बॉडी में लिम्ब है, फिजिकल बॉडी में लिम्ब कट गया है, but subtle body has the limb. You can photograph that, right? Have you understood this? So soul leads to formation of the subtle body, that is intellect and mind, and this is sanskaras. Memories are sanskaras, personality traits. I told you, impressions, beliefs and personality traits. So they are recorded here, and then all the 7 energies go to each and every cell of the body. Every cell of the body requires all the 7 energies. Okay? Each cell of the body requires 7 energies for functioning. Every soul requires this knowledge of the truth. Yes, soul is there. I am there. Only then cell will function. No? I am son of supreme soul. Then cell will get energy, right? Connections and D for drama. Whatever is happening is correct. जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ, जो हो रहा है अच्छा, जो होने वाला बहुत अच्छा है. जो हुआ अच्छा नहीं हुआ, तो what happens? सेल को क्या होता है? What happens to the cell? What happens to the cell? What happens to the cells? What happens to the sympathetic system? What happens to the endocrine glands? Dr. Raghuveer, what happens? Metabolism becomes catabolism. No? Isn't it? So this knowledge is essential for every cell. A, B, C, D, right? So soul is nourishing each and every cell of the body with this knowledge. No? When soul leaves the body, there is total catabolism, and within a few minutes, everything decays. जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है, जो होने वाला है बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. Why we are getting older today, earlier? Why we are getting infections early? Why our teeth are getting decayed early? Why our hairs are turning gray at the age of 30 years? Why? Why we are getting disease at such an early age? Coronary artery disease is a disease of 80s. Why we are getting early at 20 years of age? Why? Because of this knowledge, lack of this knowledge, right? There's a relative lack of this. Knowledge is not disappeared. Still we say, we do not say soul, we say इंसानियत, humanity. मैं भी इंसान हूं, तुम भी इंसान हो. We do not use the word इंसान. नहीं, अभी हम ये यूज नहीं करते, बट हम आत्मा यूज नहीं करते, बट वी से जैसे मेरा दिल तैसे तुम्हारा दिल. नहीं, तो ये this energy is going to each and every cell of the body. Then purity is going to each and every cell of the body. You know, so many cells are dying daily. 100,000 reactions occur in one cell every second. 100,000 reactions are occurring in every cell every second. You can understand how many free radicals must be formed in that. How many toxic products must be formed in that 1 second. There are 80,000 billion cells in the body. Multiply 1 lakh with 80,000 billion cells. So how many cell reactions are occurring in 1 second in the whole body? And body can get rid of those many chemicals within a second. But when you get angry, what is happening? You are making how many cells? How many energy reactions? 125,000 reactions. 150,000 reactions. Number of reactions will increase. 200,000 reactions will happen in 1 second. Body cannot get rid of those toxins. Everyone is born with one target organ. It may be heart, it may be your liver, it may be your bones, or it may be your brain, or whatever, skin or whatever. हैं जी? क्या होता है? सोल होता है. हम इंसानों की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? एनिमल्स की बात छोड़ देते हैं, उनमें भी होता है सोल, है ना? Animals also have souls, we also have souls, but they do not have intellect. We have the intellect, higher brains. हाँ, नहीं मैं तो बता रहा हूँ आपको. This is only diagrammatic, right? So this is how a purity. So body needs to be pure, right? Peace. Every cell needs peace to excrete, to get rid of toxins, to get oxygen goes in every cell, and then there's a detoxification of all the toxic products from the body, right? So every cell needs peace, because and then every cell needs love. You know, they stay with each other. Every cell is related with every cell, other cell. My next person is dying. You know, next cell is dying, being replaced by another cell, right? You know? So love is required, happiness is required, bliss is required, power of discrimination is required. You know? My cell takes oxygen in, excretes carbon dioxide out. My cell takes glucose in, otherwise how it will differentiate? LDL, HDL, so many things are there in the blood, so many things are there. How it will differentiate? Power of discrimination, without power of discrimination, power of judgment, power to withdraw, power to pick up, power to tolerate, power to accommodate, power to face, power to cooperate. Dr. Khanna, is it appealing or not appealing? So every cell requires all these 7 energies. And these 7 energies, but one energy is very special to one type of group, one organ system. Like for the brain, it is knowledge. Knowledge is the truth. ABCD. More you have this ABCD going from the soul to the brain, you will have better balance of IQ, EQ, SQ and HQ. You will be better human being, you will be better, more creative. Right? The 5 organs and the 5 senses also require knowledge. Right? And the purity is specially required by 5 senses and the immune system. Soul nourishes the immune system and the 5 senses with purity. That can be sensed through the eyes, through what you want to hear, what you want to see, what you speak. Your face can show you that this person is inside pure or not pure. What type of thoughts he has inside. कहते हैं ना चेहरा क्या दिखाता है? मन के अंदर में मन में क्या है वो चेहरा दिखाता है ना? नहीं? आंखें दिखाती हैं, आंखें से पता लगता है ये आदमी कैसा है अंदर से. क्या बोलता है उससे पता लगता है, क्या सुनता है उससे पता लगता है ये आदमी क्या कैसा है अंदर से. What he is from inside. He or she is from inside, no? And your immune system. If your immune system is, if you are pure inside, you have pure positive thoughts, purity of thoughts of purity, then your whole system is, strong in immunity. You will not get infections very fast. But if you have lot of thoughts which are of body consciousness, role consciousness, impure thoughts, what will happen? Your immune system will go down. You will get infections again, cold or something, some infection happening in the body. Like HIV came in 1981, only 21 cases in Africa. And today, what is the status? The disease of animals has come to human beings. Why? Now every village is full of HIV positive people. Why? Because the purity level has gone down. Trillions of dollars spent in HIV research, AIDS research. Is it fruitful? The disease spread to each and every corner of the world. Why? The overall purity level has gone down markedly. No? That is why we are falling victims to diseases of the animals. Swine flu. No? And so bird flu. So many things are coming now. Chikungunya. The disease which used to happen in animals now has started happening in human beings. Because purity level is going down. We are more like, behaving like more like animals at lower brain level, not at the higher brain level, right? Soul is nourishing the respiratory system with peace, energy of peace. More peaceful you are, deeper and slow respiration is there, rhythmic respiration is there. Peace. You can see a child sleeping, it's abdominal respiration. Anxiety, it is shallow respiration, thoracic respiration. Anger is thoracic respiration. You can see chest coming in and out, right? That means half chest, only half of the lungs are getting oxygen. And the rest, 2/3 blood which is in the lower lungs is going to the heart without oxygenation. And one beat, one respiration counts for 5 heartbeats. That means 5 times your heart is supplying that deoxygenated blood. Isn't it? So disease, your cells will be detoxified of toxins or not? In anger, anxiety, fear. Detoxified or not, they will be more toxic, full of free radicals. Right? So you need not do pranayam, but you need to be peaceful. Then automatically 24 hours your pranayam will be there. Control of breath will be there. Pranayama you can do half an hour, 30 minutes or for 50 minutes or 60 minutes. But what about the other day, whole day? If you know that I am a soul, then automatically you are peaceful. You are soul, I am soul, son of the Supreme Soul, ocean of peace. Automatically you are peaceful. No? ABCD, automatically peaceful. Automatic breathing is deep and slow. Or you need to do pranayam. When people are breathing very fast, it as if sometimes it seems next room someone is doing it as if his breathing is last. Other person develops anxiety. No need. DTs never used to do pranayam. Right? I'm not criticizing pranayam, but the real concept is this. You do not require body, mind, soul. It is soul, mind, body. Soul is nourishing the body. Soul is nourishing the mind. Then it is nourishing the body. Soul is nourishing the body through mind. Like if I want to give you this, how I'll give it? It is with me. How I will give you? Hand is a part of the body, but I have to extend the hand, isn't it? And how you will receive it? You keep on standing like this. Will you receive it? So soul gives anything is given to the body through team. So my team needs to be positive or negative. If I have negative team, what will happen? Negative memories, negative attitudes, negative emotions towards love, towards peace. I have accepted anxiety as a way of life. I have accepted fear as a way of life. I have accepted type A behavior as a way of life. I have accepted anger as a way of life. I have accepted hostility as a way of life. I have accepted cynicism as a way of life. I accepted suspicious nature as a way of life. Everyone is wrong. I feel insecure. I have to be alert all the time. That's a way of life. So energy will go to the body. You do a lot of meditation, but you have not left your past, that early nature of your humanity. Even people who are practicing Raj Yoga meditation, but they do not sometimes realize that this is nature, this is my nature. It is like your servant who makes tea for you in the morning, who awakens you, gives you tea, and also gives, massage to your body, but inside he is corrupt. He takes away all the money and slowly he is just taking out everything. He is a terrorist by nature. He is helping the terrorist, staying in your house but helping the terrorist, and he is himself a terrorist. So you identify him as your friend, but he is a terrorist. Same thing happens with us. We feel that type A behavior is good for me. Anger is good for me. Anxiety is good for me. Cynicism is good for me. Sensitive nature is good for me. I cannot do without it. By nature I am emotional. I am very sensitive. We take it as a pride. I am short-tempered. I am a perfectionist. Yes? Is it a pride? Is it a pride? You are born type A behavior, with type A behavior, anxiety, anger, depression, or you were all the time depressed when you were born. You acquired it from your parents, from your colleagues, from your brothers and sisters, right? Soul is nourishing the heart with energy of love. More loveful you are, more coronary flow will be there. Endothelium function will be good. And anger, anxiety will lead to what? Flow will stop. Love flow to the coronaries will stop. Right? Soul is nourishing the liver and GI system with energy of happiness. इसलिए कहते हैं खुशी जैसी खुराक नहीं. खुश हो तो सब कुछ पच जाता है, और खुश नहीं हो तो कुछ मर्जी खा लो, कुछ ताकत नहीं आती. You don't get energy. Isn't it? खुशी की टैबलेट्स अवेलेबल हैं क्या अभी? Yes, are they available in the market? They are not available, right? So if you want a digestive, why the GERD has become so popular? 30% of the population today has GERD. Irritable bowel syndrome, why? Ulcerative colitis, why? Constipation, why? There are two, there's, this, in the Orbex plexus and Mesenteric plexus, runs through all through the intestine. When you are sensitive nature, emotional nature, you are not able to share, then you are not, there's imbalance between Mesenteric and Orbex plexus. Right? That leads to irritable bowel syndrome. When you do not speak out, your bowels start speaking. They make sounds, right? No? So why don't you speak? But speak with regards. We speak without regard. We speak with ego. No? That people do not accept. We speak with attachment, people do not accept. No? Our relatives do not accept. Our husband does not accept. Our children do not accept. Our wife does not accept. No? They say, please, I don't want to listen to you. Add enough of it. Please do not shout. No? So that is what. So, and bliss, soul is nourishing the hormonal system with bliss, energy of bliss, right? More blissful you are, you will have normal thyroid function. There's a hormonal orchestra. Hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, parathyroid, pancreas, adrenals, and gonads. So when there's a peace, love, and happiness here, then this hormonal orchestra is functioning very nicely. When this peace, love, and happiness not there, there's anxiety, anger, and this thing, the hormonal orchestra goes haywire. When this peace, love, and happiness is there, your life is, hormonal orchestra works in harmony, and your life is like a music. When this orchestra is not functioning, when this anger is there, anxiety is there, fear is there, then your hormonal orchestra goes haywire and life becomes a chaos, becomes a noise. You feel all the time irritated, right? So that's why I say in the morning, get up in the morning, early morning, 4 a.m., 3:45, and then do meditation. If 30 minutes of bliss will heal everything, and then there's a harmonious release of all the hormones, and the hormonal orchestra will be reset, and then throughout the day, you'll be peaceful, loveful, and happy. Your life will be like a music. If you miss that, then, and up to 8 a.m. remain in silence. I am practicing this for last 30 years. When I understood this concept of soul, supreme soul, ABCD, since then, once I realized this, then, though I was a consultant to 5 hospitals in Delhi, and it was a very busy schedule. Three hospitals I was sitting in my OPD clinics. Patient admitted in 5 hospitals, running from here and there. But when I understood this, then I started doing this. Never missed my Amrit Vela, morning meditation. Always did listen. Up to 8 a.m., I should remain in silence. As far as possible, remain in silence. Keep your mobile in silent mode. And people also start realizing that this person does not respond before 8. If there's emergency, the people will come. They will tell you. And then after that, up to 8 a.m. and then I go to the center, Brahma Kumari center. Listen to the Murli. What is Murli? Godly versions. That is 100% positive team. Godly versions are full of positive memories, positive attitudes, positive emotions, and positive thoughts. Right? Nothing but positive. Because truth leads to positive team. And God is truth, always. He will not say anything which is not positive, which is not truth. Right? Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. Shiv hi sada satya hai. शिव ही सदा सुंदर है. दैट मीन्स ही इज एटर्नल एंड ही इज ऑलवेज ट्रूथफुल, ही इज ऑलवेज प्योर. हम क्या हैं? इंसान क्या होते हैं? श्याम सुंदर. इंसान आधा कल्प सत्युग त्रेता में सुंदर होते हैं, माना प्योर रहते हैं, और द्वापर कलयुग में इम्प्योर हो जाते हैं, श्याम बन जाते हैं. राइट? हम सदा प्योर नहीं होते. वी आर नॉट ऑलवेज प्योर, वी आर नॉट एवर प्योर. गॉड इज एवर प्योर बिकॉज ही डज नॉट टेक ए बर्थ. राइट? इज इट क्लियर? और इज इट ए बाउंसर और नो बॉल? Yes? No ball or bouncer? हाँ जी? Yes. And then soul is nourishing the musculoskeletal system with powers. These 8 powers. See, without bones, human being is human being. If the bones would not have been there, joints would not have been there, we would have been human beings. क्या होते हैं हम? जेली फिश होते हैं ना, ऐसे घूमते, शक्ल होती है हमारी, सोफे पे बैठते हैं हम लोग. Our framework is because of bones and joints, right? Muscles. So each joint, each bone, each muscle is being nourished with these energies, powers, 8 powers. So neck means flexibility, back means bending, hand means support, chest means what? So every joint of the body means some power, right? And why we get cervical spondylosis at an early age? Why ladies get more lumbar spondylosis? Why? Because they are expert in making small things, mountains out of molehills. 30 साल पहले कोई बात हुई थी, अभी तक उसको पकड़ के रखा है. वो मर भी गए. तुम्हारी माँ ने मेरे को ऐसा बोला था. तुम्हारी माँ ने मेरे को ऐसा किया था. अरे माँ तो बेचारी मर गई कभी की ना. You know, that's why they get this sensitive nature, emotional nature. Right? They do not have power to withdraw. Not all, few. That's why they get lumbar spondylosis, right? So each power, knee joint problem, while we are getting osteoarthritis of knee joints at an early age. Why? So every joint, right? So have you understood this? And then all the 7 energies combine to release toxins from the body. So ultimately it boils down to positive team. So have meditation in the morning and up to 8 a.m. maintain this. And that is why 7 to 8 listen to the godly versions. So up to 8, because after half an hour after getting up, there is a cortisol surge starts, and up to 8 a.m. there is a peak. So up to 8 a.m. if you can keep your team positive, then there will be hormonal surge will be, adrenal surge will be normal, or there will be less cortisol, and then throughout the day you will be peaceful, loveful, happy. And before going to bed, remember, audit your day. Sleep around 9:30 you audit your day. Whatever wrongs have happened, write down a piece of paper and then sign it, send it to God. His phone number is, fax number is 000. 10 out of the state, say 2 zeros, out of the country, 3 zeros, out of the world. Right? I am 0, my father is 0, and whatever has happened till now, multiplied by 0. Right? Remember God for a few minutes, do meditation for, and then go to sleep. Go to sleep around 9:30, 9:45, get up at 3:45, right? And see this for 1 week and see the change in your lives. Okay? There's so many things to speak of, but I think time is over. Have you understood something? Yeah? So this is subconscious mind, and this is unconscious mind I have not talked about, and this is conscious mind. So if you have this 7 energies coming to you, your wisdom will become pure, your power of this judgment will become better, subconscious mind will become loveful and happy and blissful, and then memories will become automatically, the old impressions will start disappearing, attitudes will change, emotions will change, and thoughts will change. They will become positive, and automatically your body organs, they will help you in functioning, in carrying out your duties. Okay? So remember, morning meditation, Murli, that is godly version up to 8, and then throughout the day have attention. Repeatedly you can do that. I'm a being. Revise and realize ABCD, and then before going to bed, audit your day. Om Shanti. You can ask me later on. एक गीत बजाओ. 1 minute meditation. No, we can, but you see your this original this clock, original clock. You have to follow that clock, right? Biological master clock, right? If that is your, please sit down. Don't rush. Don't rush. I'll just tell you one thing. Before, please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Before you start any meeting, start that meeting with 1 minute silence and end that meeting with silence. Even if you want to fight with your husband or wife, you want to fight, start fighting before fight, have 1 minute meditation, fight, and then practice 1 minute meditation, right? Okay? Any meeting for that matter.